Hello all, welcome to my channel Science at Fingertips. So in this video, we will be discussing our next lesson, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. So these microbes which are present everywhere, these are our friends as well as they are our foe, that is they are our enemies. So in this lesson, we will be discussing in detail microorganisms which are beneficial for us and the microorganisms which are harmful for us. So first, we should know what are microorganisms. So organisms that are so small that they can only be seen through a microscope are known as microorganisms or microbes. So micro that is very small, and organisms, living beings. So these living beings, these organisms are so tiny, so small that we cannot see them by our naked eyes. We have to use microscope to see these organisms. So that's why these are known as microorganisms or microbes. So here in the picture you can see diagram of microscope and enlarged view of some microbes. So microorganism, tiny organisms which can be seen only with the help of a microscope. So there are different types of microorganisms. So these microorganisms which are present everywhere in our surrounding, in water, in springs, in cold water, in hot water, in air, in soil, in leaves, on clothes, on paper, food items, everywhere these microorganisms are present. So these microorganisms are broadly categorized into 5 categories. So what are these 5 categories? First is bacteria, then alga, then protozoa, then virus, and last one is fungi. So these different microorganisms are categorized into 5 groups: bacteria, alga, protozoa, virus and fungi. And here this virus, it is at the borderline of living and non-living things, which we will discuss in our next videos. So now come to another slide and we will discuss these microorganisms in detail. So first group of microorganism is bacteria, and singular of bacteria is bacterium. So bacteria are of 3 different types. There are 3 main categories of bacteria. First one is rod shaped. These are long like rod. So these are rod shaped, and all the bacteria of bacilli group are rod shaped. So this group consists of bacilli bacteria. Another group is spherical bacteria. So these are round in shape and they denote the category cocci. So all spherical bacteria come under the category cocci. Third one is spiral bacteria. So these are bacteria which are having spiral shape, that is wavy shape. So these bacteria fall in the category Spirilla. So in Spirilla category, all spiral bacteria, wavy bacteria come. There are some diseases which we will discuss in detail when we study harmful effects of microorganisms. So two diseases are mentioned here. Typhoid and tuberculosis, that is TB. These are bacterial diseases. So bacteria cause, not all bacteria, but harmful bacteria. They can cause diseases in human beings, in animals, in poultry, and some two common diseases are typhoid and tuberculosis, that is TB. So here in the picture you can very well see different types of bacteria. So these are circular bacteria which are present in pair, so known as Diplococcus bacteria. Rod-shaped bacteria, they make the category bacilli. So here you can see Coccobacilli, that is, which are oval in shape, somewhat elongated, somewhat round, oval in shape. So these are Coccobacilli. Now next category you can see curved forms. So these curved forms which are comma-like bacteria, these are known as comma-like bacteria. Example given here, Vibrio cholerae. So cholera disease is caused by Vibrio cholerae, that is curved bacteria. Other shapes are also there. Here in the picture you can see helical bacteria. Example is Helicobacter. Slightly wavy, or just like ladder, one railing of a ladder, that is helical bacteria. Another group we can see here is Streptobacteria, which are present in chains. Next group is Streptobacilli, which are in chains but rod-like. These are Spirilla, that is Colibacteria, which are wavy, spiral. So these are Spirilla bacteria. Other groups here you can see Corynebacter, which is club-shaped. So these are the different shapes of bacteria which are generally found in the nature. Next you can see Staphylo. These are present in clusters, that is group. Staphylococcus, round bacteria present in groups. These are the smallest form of bacteria which are known as Mycobacterium. Another form you can see which is elongated spiral, Spirochete bacterium. And this one is, last one is Streptomyces, which is present in network form. So these are the different shapes of bacteria which are generally found in our environment. So I hope you might have understood this group of microbe which is called bacteria, and it comes under plant category because bacterial cells have cell wall, which is the characteristic of plant cell. So these bacteria may contain chlorophyll or may be devoid of chlorophyll. But as they contain cell wall, they fall under plant category. So I hope up to here you might have understood, and in our next video we will be continuing another group of microorganism, that is alga. So thank you very much. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.